So here is the Mahdi, yes, the Mahdi M260 player, which is the next or better than the iPod Shuffle or iPod Nano, whatever you like call. This one, you can get it for around 35 US dollar. I'm literally very much excited for the unboxing and review. Here we go. Let's see what it come inside. Okay, it comes with the belt holster, which I literally love it. I love it. I love it. It comes with the data cable. It comes with the headphone. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna love this thing. Literally, I'm gonna love this thing. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna love this thing. When I say I'm gonna love it, then literally I mean I'm gonna love it. But how I can close this one? Come on. Okay, it's not going inside. Okay, whatever. Okay, yeah. Okay, my mistake. I think so. It was something like this, right? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Let me close the box and then open the player. Okay, it's tiny. The first impression is that it's really very tiny. I mean, you need to, look by yourself. It's tiny. Here's my 400 US dollar Latu Pow 500 player. You see, it's tiny. But I will be talking about that one later. So here it is. Okay, let me put, for example, like this. Okay, yeah, you can easily put like this, and put and a clip on your belt. But let me turn it on. Okay, here we go, and then let me put my micro SD card inside. It's already have 8 GB, but you can put like the maximum you want, up to 512 GB micro SD card. Okay, here we go. It's a touch based player. Okay, okay, here we go. Okay, quit music, all song. Okay, okay, let me make it focus. So now you can see. Okay, folder, local, card folder, audio, mild test, sound. Okay, project role. Okay, but you wanna hear the volume, right? Don't worry, I have this one. Okay, now let me connect it and then oh, I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. The sound output is amazing. It's really very tiny. Okay, let me play something else. It's amazing. I'm happy with it. It's amazing. It's amazing. That's all I can say. So yeah, I mean, the sound quality is quite good. The good thing is that okay, it comes with pictures, video, folders. Let me go to, can you see? It's a little bit tiny, isn't it? Yeah. So should you buy this one? My answer will be that definitely yes, this is a must buy. I mean, overall, I'm impressed. I'm literally very much impressed. Thank you, Mahdi, for making such a awesome. You can even use this microphone. Yeah, the touch is a little bit like not that responsive. I wanna be honest here. It takes a little bit time to use, but overall, this is a must buy. Subscribe and buy.